Hi, I'm Carsten. We started this renovation project a few months ago, and we're looking around for different contractors, trying to find the right person that was going to be a good match with us. And Alon came highly recommended from our neighbors, and it was a real pleasure to work with him over the last couple of months, trying to figure out, how can we navigate a lot of the issues that we had in the HPOZ, managing the plans with the city, making sure that we were able to stay in the house while the renovation was happening. That was a big thing for us, and all of it went really seamlessly. All right, so this is what we ended up doing. We built this extension onto the house. There was a footprint here already, but we were able to kind of add on some square footage, and we also raised the ceiling, so it's nice open vaulted ceilings in here, which give it a really nice airy feeling to it. We've added in this bay window here, which is a really nice addition to sort of wake up to in the morning with lots of natural light that comes through. And then we have these built-in shelves over here, which were a really great addition to the home and to the bedroom, some additional storage. And one of my favorite parts is the closets back here, which are actually pocket doors or hidden doors that you push on, and they open up into the closet space. We hung these mirrors on here, and there's a side for me, and there's a door on the other side as well. And then the bathroom in here, so we wanted something that was gonna be really roomy with lots of light. So there's also this sort of bay window area here with the bathtub that looks out into the backyard. And then we had this custom vanity built into the wall. We picked out this stone and tile, the wood, worked with Alan's carpenter to get that all fixed. And then we have this huge shower here, which can fit a bunch of people if you wanted to do that. But this is a really nice space as well, really calm. We picked out this tile. And yeah, Alan did a great job of getting the right people in, and it's finished to a really high standard, so we love that. And we have this pocket door here with the separate toilet, so two people can use the bathroom at the same time. And that's a really nice addition to the bathroom as well. We're really happy with the end result. It's added a lot of value to our home and a lot of peace of mind to when it comes to living in the property itself. We've really enjoyed the overall experience.